Hello, my delicious family. I know you guys missed me and I missed you too. But my people, this video you're seeing here is supposed or was supposed to be a detailed recipe on how to make moimoi. But unfortunately, during the recording process, I forgot to turn on my camera when it was time to tie the moimoi. Can you imagine? The devil is a liar. I felt so bad, but I told myself that no matter what, I will show you guys this video. So bear with me. I will explain to you how to make the perfect moimoi, despite the fact that the video might not be complete. Here you can see my moimoi leaves. These leaves are very important if you know you want to achieve that perfect moimoi taste and flavor. I did not show you my crayfish. I used crayfish for this recipe. Here you can see I'm adding my crayfish, my blended seasoning cube, my oporo, which is the dry prawns, and my salt. Why am I blending it? Because I don't want you to eat salt here and salt there. I'm adding one fresh egg and vegetable oil, and then I beat this beans pudding to perfection. Kindly note that when you're making beans pudding, which is moimoi, if you don't beat your batter very well, your moimoi will not be fluffy. There is this moimoi they serve you in parties that is so fluffy, unlike the one you make at home. That's because they beat the moimoi well. When you beat it well, you are incorporating air into the batter. So when you cook it, it gives off this fluffy consistency. So on this day, this client requested for moimoi, for party jollof rice, the smoky one, and she also requested for pepper snails and oha soup. You'll be seeing that during the course of this video. You can see for my pepper mix, I used red bell peppers, paprika, scotch bonnet, and onions. Kindly use enough onions when making moimoi. Red onions to be precise. It is that red onions that will bring out the flavor of the beans. Don't forget that. Also make sure you use fish. I see people use meat for moimoi, but I prefer fish. Why? Because I feel that fish, especially mackerel fish, goes very well with beans, unlike beef. So what you will do to the fish is that the mackerel fish I showed you earlier, make sure you boil it. Add enough onions, add enough seasoning cube and salt. I'm supposed to show you how I did that, but I lost all the clips. Okay, so please bear with me. I will still make a more detailed moimoi video. Okay, I don't just want this video to waste. That's why I'm still showing it to you. Here you can see I'm using whole eggs. I used corned beef and the mackerel fish you saw earlier as my topping for my moimoi. You can see how the shells are coming off easily. That's because I use salt to boil these eggs. That's another hack I'm teaching you today. Okay, you can see the end process of my moimoi. You can see how it looks, how fluffy. In fact, I have already eaten half of it before I remember to show you guys again. You can see how fluffy it was. And here is my party jollof. Ooh, my client really enjoyed this combo. Here is my peppered snail. That's my business logo you are seeing there. I'm a certified caterer. I cater for both indoor and outdoor events. Okay, kindly patronize me. And here is my oha soup. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video.